Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to do a walk around of this 2015 Toyota Cushion Forklift, model number 8FGC35U, ID number E009451. This is a boxcar special, and it has an 8,000-pound base capacity. It runs on LP, and it has just under 6,500 hours. You'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics, and while we're on this side, I'll show you that it has a cup holder as well as a clip for your papers. Coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 187 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. You can get your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Coming up here to the tires, you will see that these are smooth black cushion tires. And up here on the front, you'll notice that we have headlights. Inside, we have a brand new seat, which is a full suspension seat and also fully adjustable. It can move forwards and backwards and adjusts in terms of tilt. And you'll see here that it has this high visibility seat belt. We also have up here a bracket for your fire extinguisher. Coming around to the back, we have a blue strobe light as well as a rear-facing work light that I'll show you in just a minute. And this truck also has a backup alarm. So let me get on and fire it up. Here's that rear work light. And here's that backup alarm. And let's run the forks. This truck is in really great condition. If you'd like to demo, or you have any questions, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as features that you need to know about.